Okay, well, I could take my network and I could interview producers. You have any questions for me, or?
How long have you been sharing your philosophies with the community, and what inspired you to do that?
Well, I'm a research scientist, and I got into music inadvertently. I was lecturing on physics, on the physics of sound.
Well, from a physics perspective, it's called frequency. How we interpret sound, we call it pitch. Rather discuss light and the electromagnetic spectrum. I would much rather discuss quantum electrodynamic, the relationship between photons and electrons. When you study quantum electrodynamics, the relationship between electrons and photons, what you see is something extraordinary. You see a lot of sociology. You see a lot of sociology. Energy, subatomic particles cancel each other out, and it's based on energy level.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Truth Noir. We have a very special guest tonight. I've seen him speak a couple times, and he's extremely knowledgeable about a great number of topics. And he's here to share some of that information with you. Most of it I've never heard before. Like, I always learn a lot when he's on. And so I'd like...